Alright guys, we got the fire going again. Time to start our lunch. It's about that time. So, first, we're going to fry up some of this, which is my freshly sliced home smoked bacon from our pigs we raised this summer. And I'll put a link in the video to some videos of them guys and the smoking process. So yeah, so I think we're going to make some vegetable soup with bacon. So I got me some potatoes and carrots diced up small. Also some ginger, garlic, onions, and bell peppers. So that's gonna be that. We got some herbs. We're gonna make some tea out of this, and I'll show you how I do that shortly. Alright guys, can you smell that? We got the bacon rendering down. Now it's time to add the water and our vegetables. Yeehaw. Now let's get all technical and deglaze this pot. Wasn't as dramatic as I had hoped. That's okay though. So, just open up our vegetables here with one hand. And let's try to dump them in the pot. Oh yeah. Ooh, that smells good already. Now let's put together our tea bag. We use a coffee filter. Regular old coffee filter. And then of course we need some herbs. But we got some thyme and some spearmint, and of course the cinnamon. The cinnamon's not going to go in this filter, but the other stuff will. Now, I just take a nice pinch of the herbal mix, and maybe a little more. And of course this is when the wind starts to pick up. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to tie this up into a little pouch with a piece of string. And there we have your custom tea bag. Well guys, there's what our herbal tea looks like. Thyme, mint, and cinnamon. I was going to add some pine needles, but I totally forgot. So, but that's alright. This is really good if you got a cold. Helps break up your chest mucus. I use it quite a bit. Anyway. That's our tea. Well guys, after a little more wood cutting, letting my soup cook, it's done now. I'm just letting it warm up again. My fire was out by the time I got back. Imagine that. But here's how it's looking. It smells freaking awesome. So, looks like it's gonna be good. Getting the fire roared up again so I don't freeze sitting here. Nice and warm till you sit down and stop working, then you freeze. But it's just a beautiful day. It's warming up. Started out minus 13 this morning, and it's probably only minus 3, minus 5 now Celsius. So quite a beautiful day. I hope you're enjoying the video, everybody, and see you next time.